Did you know that the average child in the US consumes about 8 pounds of sugar from breakfast cereals alone each year? Stay tuned to find out why you should never eat sugary cereals for breakfast. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into why sugary cereals might not be the best choice for your breakfast routine. Let's talk about the impact of sugary cereals on your health, energy levels, and overall well-being. Many popular breakfast cereals are loaded with hidden sugars, artificial ingredients, and lack nutritional value, which can have detrimental effects on your body. These cereals may provide a quick energy boost due to the high sugar content, but they often lead to a crash later in the day, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Discover the potential long-term effects of starting your day with a bowl of sugary cereal and how it can impact your mood and productivity. In summary, swapping out sugary cereals for healthier breakfast options can lead to improved health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Let us know in the comments below what breakfast options you enjoy. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for a successful day ahead. #Avoid sugary cereals.